welcome you all to the PET-CT department of Ganesh Diagnostics and Imaging Center. So we have a fully functional PET-CT department at Ganesh Diagnostic and Imaging Center. As you walk into the department, we have a injection area for the patient and a dedicated dose dispensing area. As you walk inside the department, we have the patient waiting area for the injected patient with an equipped active toilet. Now I'll take you to the scanning room of the PET-CT department. So this is a big elephant in the room, which is our very own PET-CT machine, which is Philips Gemini top 64 slice PET-CT. This is the state-of-art, very advanced machine of PET-CT in Delhi, and the state-of-art, very advanced machine of PET-CT. And this particular model is available at only 2 places in Delhi and total 3 across India. So I'm now going to tell you some key features of this machine. This machine uses hybrid technology of PET and CT, which means it provides fusion images of PET and CT combined. It not only provides the anatomical details of the disease or the organ, but also the physiological aspect of the disease. It has a 70 centimeter CT gantry or PET-CT gantry board. It uses 64 slice CT. It uses NYSO crystal of PET-CT. It has 64 slice CT and NYSO PET crystal. It has a 430 lb weight bearing capacity of the table for different weight of the patient. It has a very advanced feature called TOF, which is time of flight, for the faster reconstruction of the images. It uses very less radiation for the imaging of the patient. It has a very special feature of gantry separation. You can see for the patient who are claustrophobic and cannot withstand long scanning. I do a variety of scan on this machine. For example, whole body PET-CT, FDG PET-CT, PSMA whole body PET-CT, cardiac PET-CT, FDG brain